Hello YouTubers, back a Zombie Slayer here, showing you how to connect a laptop to a PC monitor using a VGA cable and the power outlet from the PC monitor. First, you need your PC monitor with the power outlet, and then you plug that into the cartridge thing. And then you get the VGA cable and follow it through and place into your laptop. Like so. And then you do all settings, which you would go to control panel and then go searching display settings and you'll find it all there. And then now on the second screen you will see this. Well, you won't see that, I see that, because that is my second screen and it is not on here. There's my mouse, as you can see, and now I'll go all the way to the left and it is gone, and my mouse is there. So I can move from one screen to the other. I can play games on one side of the screen and then browse the net on the other. Thank you guys, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.